Why do I need emotional intelligence in my life? If the word emotional intelligence sounds like an oxymoron to you, you're not alone. We tend to think that emotions and intelligence are separate things. However, when emotions and intelligence combine, we come to see an essentially new type of smart: the ability to manage one's own emotions, thoughts, and behaviors while proactively engaging with others as well. To be emotionally intelligent, in essence, means that we can use our emotions to think and enhance our reasoning. Now, this can become so powerful in so many different areas of our life, from the relationships we have with ourselves, to our external relationships, to our careers. We can notice our limiting core beliefs and challenge them. We can confront our internal critic with understanding and compassion versus harsh criticism. We can identify our triggers and can anticipate our reactions, establishing proper coping mechanisms when they arise.